Welcome to our next class, students. Today we will start Young Scientist. So first is quiz on chemistry. Chemistry is the subject that deal with the composition, properties and structure of the compounds. All of you are familiar with this. You are having chemistry as a subject. The reaction and changes they undergo and the energy exchange due to such processes. So based upon this chemistry, we will do few questions here. Answer the following question. Which is the first element in the periodic table? That is hydrogen. What is the center of an atom? That is called nucleus. Which is the main gas found in air we breathe? That is nitrogen. It is around 78%. So the whole mass of the about that nucleus, whole mass of the atom is enclosed in a nucleus. This is what? Nucleus. Clear? So whole mass is enclosed over here in the nucleus. In which field was scientist Ernst Rutherford awarded Nobel Prize? That is what? Chemistry. What is the chemical symbol for gold? It is Au. K is the chemical symbol of potassium. What orbit the nucleus of an atom? You know that this is the structure of an atom, children. This is the structure of atom. Here is the nucleus. And here electrons are revolving around it. Clear? So electrons are revolving around the nucleus. At room temperature, which is the only metal used that is in liquid form? So mercury that you have seen in thermometer, mercury is a liquid. This is metal as well as in the liquid form. In which nuclear reaction does the nucleus of an atom split into small pieces? That is what? Nuclear fission. What is H2O? H2O is water. H2O more commonly known as water. This is chemical formula of water. Which is the third most common gas found in air we breathe? That is argon, 1% in the air. What is the name given to the substance that are initially involved in the chemical reaction? They are called reactants. Then, is sodium hydroxide is an acid or base? Yes, it is a base which loses OH at last. Hydroxide, they are called bases. So this is what? A base. What are the atoms of the same chemical element have different atomic masses are known as isotopes? So hydrogen is having isotopes. Many of the elements, they are having their isotopes whose atomic mass is, they are having different atomic mass but atomic number same only. What is the fourth most abundant element in the universe in terms of mass? That is what? Carbon. With this your first page is over. Next is famous scientist. The world we live today would have been a different place. So scientists, they played a very important role. They discovered so many things and made our life very comfortable. So first, he was a German born theoretical physicist. He is best known for his mass energy equivalent formula. In senior classes, you will get to know about this formula. Who he is? He is Albert Einstein. Next is, he was the Scottish physicist. His most notable achievement was the formulation of theory of electromagnetic radiation. Beta, there is a theory, Maxwell theory. Clear? So he is James Clerk Maxwell. Next, she was a polished and naturalized French physicist and chemist who conducted pioneering research on radioactivity. He discovered radioactive element. Clear? So this is what? Marie. Who she is? She is Marie Curie. Now you must got to know the name of this scientist. He is Stephen Hawking. He is an English theoretical physicist, cosmologist and director of research at the Center of Theoretical Cosmology in the University of Cambridge. He is Stephen Hawking. Then he was a German mathematician and an astronomer. He is best known for the law of planetary motion. So he discovered about the planet. He was doing discovery on the motion of the planet. So he is Johannes Kepler. Next, he was Serbian American inventor. He is known for his contribution to the design of modern alternating current. Clear? See beta, current is moving in this form, alternating, one positive cycle, one negative, one positive, negative. So he studied for this. He is Nikola Tesla. Next, he was an English naturalist and geologist, best known for his contribution to the evolutionary theory. Who he is? He is Charles Darwin. Next is, he was a German speaking Salesian scientist and Augustinian friar who gained fame as the founder of modern science of genetics. So, he is Mendel. Next chapter is gadgets and gizmos. Clear? Its birth influenced the way modern technology is built today. Very few laptops are now made without it. What it is? It is webcam. All of you are familiar. You have seen webcam. Clear? So, next is using it, readers can read a book which is available in the electronic format. What it is? E-book reader. Next is this gadget uses signals transmitted by the satellites to find the locations of a vehicle and helps in the navigation through the interactive maps. What it is? It is GPS navigator. Next is this method helps in connecting a number of electronic devices like computer, printers, mobiles, phones, etc. wirelessly with a small cheap radio chip that is plugged into this device. This is Bluetooth. Next is this portable media player was designed and launched by Apple in 2001. Using it we can upload music, video, movies and games. It is iPod. Then Apple releases this sleek phone in 2007. It was declared as the invention of the year by Time magazines. It has a touch screen and many other interesting features which you are dealing with nowadays. That is what? iPhone. The first atomic bomb, nicknamed the gadget by the scientists of project, was tested at the Trinity site on July 16 in 1945. Please underline this also. With this, the section Young Scientist is over. So prepare it well for the exams. Thank you.